In this video from Device Doctor, we'll fix a common problem with newer Dell laptops when you're installing Windows and no drives are detected. If you're using a Dell Vostro 15, 3510, or any 11th or 12th gen Intel system, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Step 1. Download the Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver. Don't worry, it's super easy, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Go to Google and search for Dell support. Open the first official Dell website from the search results. Scroll down and type your computer model into the search bar. Now select the Drivers and Downloads section. Click on the Find Specific Drivers option. Now, from the list of drivers, download the Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver. Click on the driver, then click Download to easily start downloading it. After downloading, you need to extract this file into the bootable USB that contains your Windows installation. To extract the file, you will need to use 7-zip. WinRAR won't work for this. Download and install the 7-zip program. Now use 7-zip to extract the file named Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver. Now, transfer the extracted folder into your USB drive. Now, connect the USB flash drive to the computer where you want to install Windows. Proceed with the Windows setup until you reach the drive selection screen. Now, click on the Load Driver option. Now click on Browse. Then open your USB drive and navigate to the Intel Rapid Storage Technology folder. Now open the folders until you find the VMD folder. Select it and click OK. Select the first option and click Next. And that's it. Your drive should now appear and you can continue installing Windows without any issues. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes from Device Doctor.